Rwandan Genocide, a story of tragedy and hope. April 1994 was a dark time in Rwanda. Many people lost their lives in a terrible event called the genocide. For 100 days, from April to July, people killed their neighbors. Over 1 million people died. Before this time, Rwanda had two main groups of people, Hutus and Tutsis, plus minority Tuwa for many years. There were problems between these groups. Bad leaders told Hutu people that Tutsi people were their enemies. They used the radio to spread hate. On April 6, 1994, a plane carrying President Habyarimana was shot by unknown people till this day. This was the spark of the genocide. Extremist Hutu leaders told people to kill Tutsis and moderate Hutus who did not agree with them. Many families were separated. Many people tried to hide. Some good people helped their neighbors, even when it was dangerous. These brave people showed that humanity still existed in this dark time. The whole world didn't help Rwanda. The United Nations had soldiers in Rwanda, but they didn't stop the killing. Nations looked away from the problem. In July 1994, the Rwandan Patriotic Front (RPF) stopped the genocide. They took power. Many people who took part in the killing ran away to other countries. After the genocide, Rwanda had to rebuild. Buildings were destroyed. Families were broken. The country was very poor, but the people of Rwanda showed great strength. Rwanda created special courts called Gacaca courts. Traditional court system. In these courts, people talked about what happened. Some people asked forgiveness for what they did, and the victims forgave them. This helped with healing and justice. Today, Rwanda is different. The government works to bring people together. They do not talk about Hutus and Tutsis anymore. They say, "We are all Rwandans." Rwanda has built memorials to remember the people who died. Every year in April, there is a time called Kuvuga, which means to remember in Kinyarwanda. People come together to remember the past and promise it will never happen again. Rwanda has worked hard to rebuild. Now the cities are clean and safe. More children go to school. The economy is growing. Women have important jobs in the government. The story of Rwanda teaches us important lessons. It shows how dangerous hate can be. It shows how important it is for countries to help each other. Most of all, it shows how people can heal and build a better future, even after terrible events. The people of Rwanda have shown the world that after great darkness, there can be light and hope again.